Good evening, viewers from Sparrow Kitchen in Ayutthaya, Thailand. Well, tonight we're having dinner here, and what we're having is something we've never had before. For 150 baht, we're trying the Thai hot pot. But for 150 baht, we'll give it a go. This is inside the brick house guest house. Oh, very good, thank you. And this is for the hot pot. We've also got two sauces. They're both spicy. And here's the ingredients. The ingredients for the Thai hot pot. Okay, we've got our vegetables. She's organising our table now. There's our meats and an egg. There's the vegetables with some noodles. There's the meats we've got with an egg. The vegetables with the noodles. Now where's the hot pot?
In the middle.
There's the fire. And there's the pot. Thai hot pot. Now we have to let this boil for a while. Not yet, apparently. Got to wait for it to boil. Right, she's going to do it for us. First the noodles. I think that's kangkong, which is water spinach. That's cabbage, Chinese cabbage, or pet chai as we call it in the Philippines.
And then meat. Yes, inside. Yeah? Oh, yeah, yeah. No, wait. Wait. Wait.
Not yet, apparently. You have to wait for the vegetables. Then in it goes. And you have to mix it so the egg gets spread around. You don't want a poached egg in the bottom. Right, it's ready now. It's certainly hot. And you get the meats and the vegetables and dip them in these sauces, which are very tasty actually. They're spicy but good. So that's Thai hot pot. It's still bubbling away. Had a very lemongrass flavour with other spices. And for 150 baht, you cannot complain. That was a good meal. So that's Thai hot pot, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.